Spread trailers. If you guys haven't seen the latest shirt that we dropped, I spent all my money on my car and the rest I just waste. Check that out over at Fasterproms store. Your merch purchases directly impact the projects of what we do, and we love bringing awesome stuff to you guys. We also have another sticker. When we had made the Adapt and Overcome shirt, we'd also had the sticker in mind, and that is now available. And to top things off, we got our poster from Uncle Sam. We've shipped out a couple hundred of those, and we have a couple hundred left. So get yours while they last. Now, let's head on to the video.
Brother, it is blue drift car day. Only blue drift cars allowed.
See, I was gonna say this is like low power drift car, but you're way more.
Yeah,
you got the good setup.
It's so like smooth and easy.
Should be really nice and predictable. You got it so set up well, man. It is really looking nice. We've done a little bit of tandeming with
the big
Caprice.
Yeah, Caprice and Neighbor is like, and it was sketchy. We didn't really have that many beautiful moments.
Yeah, but I mean, hey, we can build on that. And I think that this is gonna be, I mean, how does this compare to Neighbor? I mean, as far as control and everything.
Night and day. So much angle, control.
Gotcha.
The brakes are better, the handbrake's better. It's just night and day.
Oddly enough, I kind of feel the same way about this. I think it's so much more nimble. Even though it's a lot less powered, I think we could be able to do certain things that we wouldn't be able to do in those big cars. So that's what I'm looking forward to.
Yeah.
So guys, this is Alec. You've probably seen him a number of times on Garrett's videos and all that. Track manager of the Freedom Factory.
Unbelievable. Did he try and do that? Freaking Fasterproms landscaping. All the edging we could possibly ask for.
Like 260 wheel.
Holy crap.
Whoa, Fasterproms landscaping, back at it again. That was awesome.
It feels good, yeah. I didn't think it'd be that easy for you to just flick it.
It's just really well set up, honestly.
Yeah.
It's a little low power for this track, but you could really make it work though.
Oh yeah, especially on the insides. I mean,
the Freedom Factory has some unique bumps that I have not.
Are they the best though? I love them. I like going through that one really fast into like where you were crossing the whole pad.
Yeah.
Going that way. It's just the best.
It's definitely a sensation. guys, Cleetus is the one that got me into drifting. I never really gave it too much thought, didn't really think it was that interesting until he took me for a ride. Once he did and I saw how he ripped the car, I was incredibly jealous, and I was like, dude, you killed it. I have to get a drift car now. And ever since then, he's had a seriously competitive edge on me. He is definitely a superior driver, but I'm trying to close that gap. And to be honest, we really didn't tear up the grass that much, but it was a heck of a lot of fun. Garrett, Cleetus' car control is incredible, and as I was leading, it was easy for him to hold the gap and really be able to get right up on my bumper. Once we had changed and he was leading, definitely could not close the gap. The power difference was very substantial. He's just showing off. So it had been a little while since I was doing some 360s, and I was doing them in a totally different car, very different weight, and very different power level. I never tried to do 360s in the BMW that only makes 260 horsepower, and it wasn't really happening right. So Garrett talked to me real quick, and we tried to figure out what was going on, and he gave me a couple pointers. And lo and behold, definitely helped. First try, got it. And while I went in to change tires, he tried a totally different stunt. A lot of these shots are brought to you by Project Prime, and Chris from Project Prime had never been in a drift car, so I thought I'd take him. grips up right there.
That is so crazy.
Oh,
You're
Hold
a
on.
madman.
got a little oil pressure issue. I'm gonna like let this just chill for a second.
Dude, this thing rips for 260.
Hey, listen to it real quick. I got like an oil light here.
That was a little weird.
On that note, we're probably gonna have to stop.
What do we think happened? Do we know?
Well, these have a couple different oil pressure issues, and I thought that we had addressed pretty much everything, but there's like a nut that we'd had back off before, so basically it was running on no oil pressure, so yeah. But there's a nut that you have to weld on the oil pump drive, and we did that.
It's got its own little chain, little single
Yeah.
timing chain for it.
There's other things that can happen. I don't know, oil pump pickup. I mean, there's a lot of different things it could be, but we'll probably just quit there. And I ran the other one like this for like a couple minutes because we're trying to troubleshoot it. Well, fellas, it was a hot one here. Had a heck of a lot of fun with old Cleater messing up his grass. Totally awesome. Well, the Beamer performed really, really well. Really happy with this thing. It does what an entry-level drift car should do, and I'm really, really pleased with that. I had so much fun taking Chris from Project Prime for a ride, and Alec. They definitely enjoyed it a lot.
Well, guys, when we dive into the BMW, I don't think it'll be a terrible, difficult thing to be able to fix. We've done this type of thing before. I had to pull a pan, however, that backing nut had come off. It could be it could be the oil pump shaft. It could be a couple of other things, but I'm not too darn worried about it. I had so much fun. It was just a blast. Guys, I wanted to thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It definitely helps out our channel grow, and we definitely couldn't do it without you guys. So, on closing, I'm going to leave you guys with some wisdom here. Gentlemen, as a married man, the advice I would give would be pick your battles. Embrace the things that you cannot change, the courage to change the things that you can, and the wisdom to know the difference. That's kind of the tough one right there. And lastly, I wanted to recommend a band. One that a lot of people don't know about. It's called Shaman's Harvest. They've got a lot of great stuff. However, this one song is called In Chains. It is a bluesy, hard rock, freaking masterpiece. Hope you guys enjoy it. Check them out, Shaman's Harvest. God bless you guys. We'll see you next episode.
Torvy, come on. Come on, Torv. Oh, chunky girl. Norman, come on. Come on, Norman. Oh, little girl. Come on, you.